Hello and welcome back to Forensic Solution. Today we are here with another video about Bard. So now you will be asking me, what is Bard? Bard is just another chatbot like ChatGPT. So let us learn more about Bard and let us learn a bit about what is AI. First of all, AI is experiencing a rapid growth, revolutionizing in various domains with advancements in technology and access to vast amounts of data. AI systems are becoming more intelligent and capable. Industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation are leveraging AI for tasks such as diagnosing diseases, automating trading, and developing self driving cars. AI research is pushing the boundaries with generative models becoming more conversational and problem solving abilities improving. However, ethical considerations must be addressed to ensure transparency, fairness, and privacy in AI systems. Overall, AI's growth is transforming industries, improving efficiency, and impacting daily life. So, actually, what is AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is stimulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. So now let us know more about Bard. So what is Bard? Bard is Google's conversational AI chatbot developed in response to OpenAI's ChatGPT. It was launched in March 2023 to mixed reviews. It was initially based on Lambda and later transitioned to more powerful Palm language model. The announcement of Bard was seen preemptive move by Google to compete with Microsoft, which had partnered with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into Bing. So now let us know some of the features which Bard provides us. First of all, it has improved code generation, tools for exporting generated content, image generation with Adobe Firefly, image prompting, and integration with Google products and third-party plugins. These are some of the main features which Bard provides us. So now let us compare ChatGPT and Bard. Services of ChatGPT and Bard are similar, with users typing in query to receive a human-like response. The main difference between ChatGPT and Bard is the data source. Bard continuously draws information from the internet, so it has the latest information, whereas ChatGPT's sources end with 2021 data, so it is limited on newer research and information. Bard has more data to gather information in real time by accessing the latest research. Bard uses Google's newest language model, Palm 2, and ChatGPT uses GPT 3.5 with GPT-4 technology available in its paid version. Bard creates more chunks of information while ChatGPT creates content of single line text prompt. So now how to decide which chatbot is better? At this point, it's hard to judge which chatbot is better as they are both in their early training days. ChatGPT is efficient at generating and summarizing text requests, whereas Bard does the better job of answering questions with more relevant information. These chatbots are being trained as users submit feedback, so there may be changes. So this was our today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching it. Subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content and stay safe, stay secure.